When an EV charger completes a session flawlessly, when a telecom network stays online throughout the night, we see infrastructure that always needs to be on. Behind that seamless experience is intent and quiet engineering that refuses shortcuts. This engineering lives in places most people never see, in the choices, in the discipline, the attention to detail.
This is not just about space or capacity for us, but this is our future-proof power electronics manufacturing platform.
For us, that is what beautifully engineered means. Designed with depth, built with intent, and constantly refined.
The ethos that we carry is about building with intent, designing with depth, and making products that are not only function very well in the field, but they are also very beautiful, very aesthetically pleasing, very focused on the user experience for the end customer or even for the B2B customers.
So what you experience outside is clean and confident, and what you never see inside is just as exacting. You may not see that discipline, but you rely on it every single day. In power electronics, where failure is more than an inconvenience, the smallest decisions compound. A fraction of a millimeter, a few degrees of heat, a second under load, over thousands of operating hours, those decisions define reliability. And one weak link or one compromised component can often be an expensive mistake.
So as you know that now a customer is more demanding, so whatever product we are giving to them, they need that works very perfectly, so there is no chance of any failure.
As infra scales and expectations rise, the margin for error shrinks. That is where manufacturing has to step up.
Manufacturing is strategic lever to us. It drives quality, cost efficiency and scalability.
This new facility represents that next step forward for Exicom. Architected on Industry 4.0 principles, digitally controlled, benchmarked to global standards. Here, engineering travels a full arc from a micron-level decision on PCB to uptime on a highway to resilience inside a telecom network. That arc is protected by 4 disciplines. Precision. Precision starts at the board level. Controlled environments, micron-level placement, multi-stage inspection. Further downstream, precision takes shape in product assemblies through automatic Poka yoke processes, digitally controlled torque values, and laser welding. Next, We engineer out variability through guided material flow, vision validation at critical points, and controlled movement. Before anything leaves this floor, it earns its place. Functional validation, load testing, reliability proven under real operating stress, not under ideal conditions. And every system carries its own digital history, serialized, linked, traceable from component to final dispatch, enabling stronger builds and faster resolutions.
Every station has got interlinkage. When I say interlinkage, the subsequent process is dependent on confirmation of the previous process. Wherever possible, we have used vision camera so that human dependency is less.
We understand that our customers don't just buy hardware. They buy confidence, they buy uptime and decisions they will not regret. That is why we stay anchored to our standards. Discipline over shortcuts, architecture over assembly, long-term reliability over short-term compromise. What leaves this facility is more than hardware. It is controlled performance. Designed with depth, built with intent, strengthened with every iteration. This is Exicom Manufacturing 2.0. This is our next chapter. Welcome to Hyderabad, where beautifully engineered keeps evolving.